Faronics Cloud, it's a godsend, I'll be honest with you.
The ticket numbers have come down.
Faronics Cloud allows us to easily manage devices.
The systems stay intact.
The biggest problem we had with our PCs in the branch libraries was we needed to tie down what the public could do or couldn't do on the machines. It was amazing how much Faronics Cloud fitted into what we wanted to do.
If anything was deleted by accident, the next time the machine is booted up, it goes into a clean state again.
We don't have trouble anymore with not functioning computers.
All we have to do is one update and it works for all of them.
We've been with Faronics for nigh on 20 years and absolutely fundamental for us.
I see no reason not to recommend Faronics to anybody.
If there is a problem, we can solve it remotely.
Faronics has enabled us to assess situations far quicker than before.
It saves us a lot of time, it saves our clients a lot of time, and that's the most important thing.
For us, it works perfectly, 100% of the time, all the time.